All right, today's the day. Hopefully we're getting a new windshield to replace the one that we cracked on our way home from our main trip. It's a little hard to see, but there's the crack. And it goes from the bottom all the way to the top. So this entire pane of glass is gonna have to be replaced. So will he show up? Will we have the right windshield? Will we be able to get it installed? Is it gonna leak? Well, we're gonna find out. The truck is here. That's step one. Update to follow. All right. The verdict is we have a new windshield. So there we go. The crew's leaving. And we've got nice new crack-free glass. So we're gonna call that a success. So shout out to Will at Land and Sea Glass Company. Appreciate you taking care of us, man.